Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to clean bathroom exhaust fan. First of all, pull the cover of light. You can see the lot of dust build up the fan cover. Now you have to disconnect the fan power and light power. Now we got no power. For cleaning, you need toothbrush and small flashlight. Now I show you how clean the inside. You can slowly remove the dust by using the brush. Small toothbrush is very helpful for you. Make sure this moving slowly. Now you can see this dust is coming out from the exhaust fan. If you want, you can also use this hair dryer. That's also helpful for you. And it will remove very quickly. If you check everything clean, then you can put in a bag fan cover. That's it. And you can ready to use. Thank you.